The Waring WCT708 4-compartment pop-up toaster features easy touch controls. This commercial toaster has a self-centering bread rack and 2 extra wide bread slots, allowing operators to toast 4 slices of the thinnest and thickest bread to perfection. A rotary dial provides the ability to adjust the level of browning, and the chrome-plated construction adds a sleek look to the countertop area. To purchase your next Waring product, call an account manager toll-free at 1-877-877-4379 or visit us online, www.foodservicewarehouse.com.